Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. So NIO here had quite the bounce, and I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say that, but when you stop and think about the fact that at one point, NIO was all the way down here at the morning and then worked its way all the way up to where it did, any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very impressive bounce. But that does lead to the valid question of, all right, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $18 mark. Now, why is $18 important? I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation purposes, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back to where basically the whole bounce started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side of things, as far as, because no price can go straight up. So, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, even with a bigger pullback, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair-steps. Well, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, that quote-unquote progress point right there at the $18 mark. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, headed forward, next key battleground to watch very closely, going to be right up here at $20.50. So keep a close eye on that. But anyway, look at it. Monster bounce today. Very impressive price movement. Not just a question for NIO is can the price and can the momentum continue? Is there true power behind it? Let's see if the price can show signs of progress. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.